Experience the timeless elegance of Tuscany. Tuscany's rolling hills and sprawling vineyards create a serene setting that captivates. Wander through this timeless land, where every view is a work of art, inviting you to soak in the harmonious embrace of nature's elegance. Journey into the heart of Tuscany's medieval towns. Siena and San Gimignano offer cobbled streets and architectural wonders, echoing stories of the past. In Pisa, marvel at the iconic Leaning Tower, a testament to the region's enduring charm and historical grandeur. For wine enthusiasts, the Chianti region is a dream come true. Enjoy guided vineyard tours and sample exquisite wines crafted with passion. Each glass tells a story, weaving the legacy of Tuscany's viticultural mastery into your vacation adventure. With the sun dipping below the Tuscan horizon, let yourself be enveloped by this land's timeless grace. Whether discovering new flavors or reliving cherished memories, Tuscany offers a rarefied escape for every wine connoisseur. Embark on your journey to this dream destination. Immerse in the elegance, savor the wines, and let Tuscany's magic inspire. Subscribe for more dream destinations around the world. Each video invites you to explore, discover, and fall in love with new horizons.